Hey guys, welcome to our LiteView tutorial. In this session, we will go over how Scheduler works. First, let's head over to Scheduler section located on the left side navigation menu. Once we're on the page, a list of current schedules will be displayed. We'll get back to this list later, but for now, let's create a new schedule. Let's try doing one together. A module will pop up and prompt some inputs. First, I'll ask for a name. Let's call it Awesome Park Morning. You'll see that we can either do a schedule for a light or for a specific sensor. In this video, we will mainly review scheduling for light. We'll do scheduling for sensor in a separate video. In the next field, we can make a selection between all lights, a specific group, or any individual light. For now, let's settle for an individual light. Once we've made the selection, we want to define the action to be taken. We can either adjust the brightness at the allotted time or switch on, off completely. For now, we will turn it on and input 1 in value, which represents on. In the next field, we define the time for the schedule to start. So you can set a specific time like this and it will take place at 4 o'clock. Another choice is to set the schedule to start at sunrise or sunset. Since our control nodes have astronomical clocks, they're able to define sunrise and sunset accurately. For instance, in this case, I will change my lights to turn on 20 minutes before sunset. Just on a side note, since all schedules are instantaneously stored into the nodes, in the case of any communication error, it would not affect the program schedules. The astronomical clock is able to calculate the time independently. Suppose you don't want to schedule for today. You can choose another day. Or if it's a periodic schedule, you can click on repeat and choose the day you want. The default start time is today, and you can choose an end time. If there is no end date, then it will repeat forever. Here I've selected Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now that I've input all the necessary information, I can create the schedule. And you can see all this information listed right here. The list can be filtered by name, by target, the type of action, or even by the next runtime, which is when the schedule will take effect again. If you toggle here, you can turn on or off the schedule. Notice that the next runtime turns off as soon as you do that, and when I turn it back on, the next runtime is shown to be July 6th. You can also remove the schedule by pressing the trash icon right here. Schedules can overwrite each other. Whichever time comes later will overwrite the previous conditions. And that's a wrap for this session. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact support@meshsmart.com.